The biggest lie modern software sold us? That undo is a feature. In life, there is no undo button. On a computer, nothing is permanent. You can delete, rewrite, resize forever. That's why writer's block exists. That's why you procrastinate. The stakes are zero. A typewriter reintroduces the fear of failure. Mess up, you ruin the page. That anxiety forces focus, forces presence. You aren't tab switching to check email. You aren't getting notifications about a sale on Amazon. Just you, the machine, and the terrifying permanence of ink on paper. It slows you down, yes. That slowness is exactly what we're starving for. We don't need to type faster. We need to think deeper.